Hey, I just wanted to give you some quick reminders about your house project that you're going to be working on today. Your main thing you want to focus on today is your rough draft. But first, remember you can either work on this with one other person as long as they are in this class, or you can work on it by yourself. So you should be working on your rough draft today. Your rough draft must be on graph paper. I have put graph paper and rulers on the table by the whiteboard that you can use. If you want to make more than one story for your house, you can get more than one paper for each story. Um, Remember that you are drawing your blueprint as if you're looking at it from above. So don't draw like a square and a triangle and call that a house. I want to see what each room is, where they are. Make sure you label every room. I will need to see your finished rough draft by the middle of class tomorrow. Your final project will be due by the end of class Friday, but you cannot start on that until I have seen your rough draft. So when you're working on your rough draft, make sure that you include at least 2 bedrooms, at least 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, laundry room, living room, and dining area. And you must label those on your rough draft. Also, the most important thing, because this is math, you need to have a scale for your drawing. So maybe 1 inch on your drawing might be 10 feet in real life. But make sure that your measurements make sense. I don't want you to draw a bedroom on your blueprint and say your scale is 1 inch equals 2 feet, and you have 2 inches by 3 inches. Well, that's not going to work because that's 4 feet by 6 feet, and that's a very small bedroom. So make sure that your measurements in feet make sense for a real house. So make sure you pick a scale that would be good. A lot of people last year chose 1 inch equals 4 feet, and that worked out pretty well. Do not put 1 box equals 4 feet. A box is not a measurement. Put inch, centimeter, whatever measurement you want, but do not use box as a measurement. So once I have approved your rough draft, then you can start on your final draft. Your final draft can either be on computer paper, drawn by hand and colored. You can do floorplaner.com, which is pretty cool, or you can make an actual model if you want. If you want to see how you're going to be graded, the rubric is on the second page of this, which again is on Google Classroom. But the most important thing is your measurements. And I do want to see the measurements on your rough draft. So if you make a bedroom, I want to see that's maybe 10 feet by 12 feet. I want you to write that down. And you also need to write down your scale. So write down all measurements that you make with your ruler. I want to see them. If you have any questions, feel free to email me because again, I am in the school. I'm just not in here. So I will try to respond as quickly as possible. So if you have questions, please let me know. Don't wait until the last moment.